Hello, dear my students. How are you doing? Now, today's lesson is about how to solve exponential equations. Now, about exponential equations, our main objective of this equation, it is, you have to follow here, please. You have solve for x where we have given 6 power 2x plus 1 will be equal to 2 power 2x plus 1. Now we are at this end of our lesson. Everyone or every learner should be able to solve this exponential equation. Please, I need you to see it clearly, and after we have to correct it together. Now, think about it. This is a question. Yes, please, I come back. Please remember to think about this question. We are going to correct it together. Yes, it is about exponential equation. We are going to solve this exponential equation. About exponential equation, what should we have? For example, let me give you a short summary about it. If we have, for example, a power n, you see, is equal to a power x. So in exponential, it is better to have similar base. If you have similar base, you should cancel those similar base and you write their remaining powers. This is what you are going to do during this lesson. Please, as I told you at the beginning, you have to think about it. How should we convert these 6 be similar as this to our number? Yes? Please think about it, please. So now let us continue by solving this exponential equation. If you see, it is most helpful. Please try to share it to your relative friends. Yes? Now let us solve or let us do this exponential equation. So we have, let's find its solution. We have given 6 power 2x plus 1 will be equal to 2 power 2x plus 1. Now, I told you at the beginning, we need to convert 6 becoming or being similar like this number 2. So allow me to come to the next part. Now we need to find the factor of 6. It is factors of our number, it is 6. So it means we have 6. It should be equal, it is 2 times 3. Yes? These are factors we should find from this number 6. Now, we are going to write in the place of this 6. We have to write these 2 factors. As you have to come to this side, it is 2 times 3 power 2x plus 1. It will equal to the remaining part. It is 2 power 2x plus 1. Now, think about what should be the next thing. Now let us continue. The next, we have, let us write this. Our equation, it is 2 times 3 power 2x plus 1 will equal to this 2 power 2x plus 1. Yes? Now, what we need there, we need to separate those 2 factors and with its base. You see this, it's 2 factors, but they have 1 power. Now we are going to separate them and with its power. It is 2 power 2x plus 1 times 3 power 2x plus 1, which will be equal to this 2 power 2x plus 1. You see? Now what you are going to do for the next step, think about it, please. Now let us continue for the next time. You have to think about what you're going to do. So now let us continue. Please, for those who are new on our platform, please subscribe. Yes, you have to subscribe for those who are new. Now, what you are going to do, please think about the next step. What you are going to do. You see here we have this factor times this one. Now, also we have this factor. Yes, you see, this factor is similar to this factor. Yes, you see, it does, both factors are similar. Now, what the next one, we are going to take this over to this one. Now it is 2 power 2x plus 1 over this factor, 2 power 2x plus 1 times the remaining one, it is 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2 power 2x plus 1 over this factor, x plus 1. You see now, the similar factors, you have to cancel them. And we remain with, this will be equal to 1. This over this 1 is equal to 1, and now we remain with 3 power 2x plus 1 is equal to, here we remain with 1. Yes? Now, what is the next step, please? What is the next step? You see, we have seen it is 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to this one. Now, what is the next step? You have to think about it. Please, it is better to take a draft and see what you are doing should be similar to what you have done on your draft. Yes? So now let us continue for the next step. So now let us continue from solving our exponential equation. Let us clean this part. Let us clean this part. Now let us write our final one. It is 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 1. So now here, I have to remind you some properties about exponential. So let me write them here. If we have a power, for example, n, yes, is equal to 1 when? How? It means this is equal to 1 when it is when n is equal to 0. It means when n is equal to 0 means that it is a power 0. A power 0 is equal to 1. Simply, any number power 0 is equal to 1. So now we made with a power 0 is equal to 1. Yes? So it means that if you have a, for example, power x is equal to 1. Yes? Now we need a number, which is this base, power something is equal to this one. Now it should be a number similar to this one. Now it is a power x will be equal a power 0. A power 0 is equal to this one. Now the similar base, you have to cancel them and write their powers remaining with x is equal to 0. Now back to our original equation. How is it? Now we need a number, power, something is equal to 1. But that number, it will be similar to this base. Now we need to write 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Why we write 3? It is because here we have this base 3. 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Now we remain with 3 power 2x plus 1 will be equal to 3 power 0. 3 power 0 is equal to this number. Yes? Now, let us find the final solution. Now, the final solution will be, we have the similar base, we have to cancel them, and we have to write their power. We have 2x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Now let us continue by using this side. By using this side, we have 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we are reaching at the linear equation. Each one should solve this kind of linear equation. Let us go on. So now let us finalize our question. It is 2x, which is equal to, we have 0 here, plus 1 comes from first member to the second member. This number with its sign will be changed into minus 1. Now 2x, it will be minus 1. The value of x, it will be minus 1 over this coefficient of x. So this is final solution for about this exponential equation. Yes? So now, thanks for watching what I shared with you. Please, I need you please to follow all things we are sharing. Please do subscribe, write your comment, yes, in the comment place, and do a like. See you next time. Yes? But let me give you another simple one that you're going to do personally. Another short example we have solved for, we have given, for example, 12 power 2x plus 4, it is equal to 4 power 2x plus 4. Now, solve this kind of exponential equation. So now let us also clean this. It was the last question that we have done. So now let us have this question. You see, we have 12 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 power 2x plus 4. Yes? Please, firstly, if you are given a kind of this question, exponential equation, what do we Or what do you have to do? You have to transform this number be similar as this number that you have here. Yes? Now, we have a solution. We have given 12 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 power 2x plus 4. What we are going to do? We are going to find the factor of this 12. Factor of this 12. How? Now we have 12. Its factors. That means the factors of 12, it will be, it is 4 times 3. You see? It is 4 times 3. Now, in the place of 12, we are going to put 4 times 3. Now, let us continue. So now we have 12 is equal to 4 times 3. Yes? So now let us write our 12. Sorry, let us write this 4 times 3 in place of this number 12. We have it is 4 times 3 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 power 2x plus 4. Now also you have to think about the next step for solving this exponential equation. I must So now let us continue. Let us continue. Now let us take these are factors of that number 12. We need to transform this, or we need to separate these two factors with its power. Now we have 4. We have 4 power 2x plus 4 times 3 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 power 2x plus 4. Sorry, it is not visible. It is 4 power 2x plus 4 times 3 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 power 2x plus this 4. Now we are going to divide this to both sides. Now we take 4 power 2x plus 4 over 4 power 2x plus 4 times 3 power 2x plus this 4, which is equal to 4 power 2x plus 4 over 4 power 2x plus 4. Now, what is the next thing? We are going to simplify this and this one, this and the remaining one. We still have 3 power 2x plus 4, which is equal to 20. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to solve this equation by having this base this similar to this base from this side. Now, how should we change this one into similar like this 3? Now we are finally, we have to change this one into this base. It is, we have 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Yes? 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Now in the place of 1, we have to put this 3 power 0. Now, we have It is 3 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 power 0. Now let us continue. Let us continue. Where we have 3 power 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 power 0. Now when we have similar base, you have to cancel those two similar base and you write their powers. It is 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, we are going to solve this linear equation. It is 2x, which is equal to 0 minus 4. It is because we have plus 4 in the first member. Now, it is going to the second member. The sign will be changed into minus. This plus will be changed into minus. Now, we remain with 2x is equal to minus 4. Now, the last, finally, two x is equal to minus 4. We need to find the value of x. It is x will be equal to minus 4 over this coefficients of x. Now x will be equal to minus 2. This is a final solution about how to solve this exponential equation. Let me say thank you for watching our video. Now I need your support by subscribing, by sharing it with your friends. Now see you next time and have a nice weekend. So now let me give you a homework. Let me say personal activity. It is personal activity. Yes? Activity. It should be one on your activity. Now solve for x. If you have given, for example, we have 4, it is 1 over 4 power 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 power 2x plus 3. This is personal activity that everyone is going to do. Please, you have to do it clearly. You see, we have given 1 over 4 power 2x plus 3 is equal to this 2 power 2x plus 3. Do it, please, personally. Now, have you done it, please, personally? Take a sheet of paper and try to solve this question. I give you only 3 minutes. Try it, please. And after those 3 minutes, we are going to do it together. Now let us continue. We have, before doing this question, I am going to remind you some properties about exponential. If you have given, for example, if you have given, it is a power minus x. Yes? How should we change this one into positive number or into reciprocal? It's the reciprocal of this a power minus x will be 1 over a power x. You see, that negative have been changed into 1 over this one without this negative. Now it is what we are going to do to this question. We are going to change this one into this negative one. Yes? Now let us continue. Let us continue. As I told you, we are going to use this when you have given 1 over a power. For example, x is an example, is equal to a power minus x. Yes? Now we have 1 over 4 power 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 power 2x plus 3. Now we are going to change this into this one. You see? Now we remain with 4 power minus open bracket 2x plus 3. This term is similar as this power of x. It will be equal to the remaining 2 power 2x plus 3. Yes? Now what you are going to do for the next step, think on it please. Now, please don't forget, for those who are new, please press on subscribe. Subscribe, please press on me, like. Yes, you have to do everything, please. Now, let us continue and open notification. Yes, so we are going to find the factor of this number because we need to have similar base to this one. The base from this will be equal to the base from this side. Now, we are going to find the factor of this number 4. You see 4, it has 2 times 2. Means these are the factors from this number 4. Now we write in the place of this 4, we are going to write these 2 factors. Now we have 2 times, yes, it should be times, or it should be 2 power 2. Yes, 2 power 2 factor this power minus 2x plus 3, cross the bracket, will be equal to 2 power 2x plus 3. Yes? Now what is the next? The next one, we are going to cancel those 2 similar powers. Sorry, those 2 similar bases. Now this will be cancelled with this. We remain with 2 factor minus 2x. Sorry, yes, it is minus 2. Yes, here we have this, and it is also 2x plus 3, and you have to close because this is a bracket of these 2. Yes, now this is a bracket of this negative, this one. We remain with it is 2x plus 3. Now, final one, it was 1 over 4 power 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 power 2x plus 3. Now final one, we remain to have 2 factor. This minus is going to multiply to all numbers from there, those in that bracket. We remain with minus 2x. Yes, also times to this minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we are going to multiply these two by removing this bracket. It is 2 times minus 2x will be equal to minus 4x. Yes, 2 times minus 3x will be equal to minus 6, which is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we are going to collect similar terms. Now, the similar terms, how are they? We have minus 4x minus 6. Let us write this one is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we are going to collect similar terms where we have this minus 4x means those terms which has the value of x will come in the first member, and those terms which have no the value of x will come in the second member after the equal sign. Now, so equal symbol. Now we remain with minus 4x. It is, we have here, it is 2. We have 2x. From second member to the first member, the sign here we have plus. This sign will be changed into minus 2x, which is equal to 3. You have to write this 3. Even you should write a plus, or you do this, and this minus 6, it is in the first member, it is go in the second member, means that the sign that it has in the first member will be changed into positive. Now we remain with plus 6. Now, in algebra, if you have the minus debit of someone of minus 4 francs, minus, for example, let me use francs. If you have a debit of, sorry, a credit of this 100, yes, for example, 100 USA, for example, and another one it is 2 as USA. It means that, or it should be francs or dollar. It means that you have much money of someone. It is minus 3 S. Yes, or francs. Means that you have, you see, you have a credit of someone which is very big. Now it is what you are going to use here. Yes? If you have two signs which are similar, now what you are going to do, you have to add those numbers and write one sign from those two signs. It is as I said here, if you have two debt of someone, it means that you have more debts of someone. It is minus 6x, which is equal to 9. Now, let us continue. Let us continue. We are going to find the value of x. Now the value of x will be equal to 9 over minus this coefficient of x minus 6. Now x will be equal to minus, you have to simplify by 3, and here 3 will remain with minus 3 over 2. So this is a final solution for about this given exponential equation. Now, thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, see you next time. Thank you very much. We're good.